Hi everyone. It's Ms. Nepi. Today is for beginners. We are learning how to write a compare and contrast essay in a simple way. That means looking at two things, and telling how they are the same or different. Just 3 parts, introduction, body, and conclusion. Easy. Let's go slow and learn together. Before we start writing, here's an important rule. When you write a paragraph, the very first sentence should be indented. That means you leave a little space like this before you start typing. It shows the reader, a new paragraph is starting here. Part 1, the introduction. Just write one simple sentence. Say the two things you are comparing. That's it. Here is our sentence, and remember, it's indented. Cats and dogs are both popular pets, but they are very different animals. Part 2, the body. This is the biggest part. Tell how they are the same, or how they are different. Write 3 or 4 simple sentences. Listen to our body. Dogs like to play outside and go for walks. Cats like to stay inside and sleep a lot. Dogs are loud and bark to say hello. Cats are quiet and only meow sometimes. Part 3, the conclusion. Just one sentence again. Say your final thought about both things. Here is our sentence. Even though they are different, both cats and dogs make wonderful pets. Now let's read the whole essay together, slowly. Notice the very first sentence is indented. See that little space before it starts? Watch the words light up as I read them, and follow along. Cats versus dogs. Cats and dogs are both popular pets, but they are very different animals. Dogs like to play outside and go for walks. Cats like to stay inside and sleep a lot. Dogs are loud and bark to say hello. Cats are quiet and only meow sometimes. Even though they are different, both cats and dogs make wonderful pets. Now let's look at each part. The introduction. Cats and dogs are both popular pets, but they are very different. That tells us the two things we were comparing. The body. Dogs like to play outside, cats like to stay inside. Dogs bark, cats meow. That tells us the differences. The conclusion. Both cats and dogs make wonderful pets. That tells us the final thought. 3 simple parts, and don't forget the first sentence is always indented. Great job! Let's remember the steps. Step 1, introduction. Say the two things you are comparing, and indent that first sentence. Step 2, body. Tell how they are the same or different, 3 or 4 sentences. Step 3, conclusion. Say your final thought. That's all you need. Now it's your turn. Pick 2 things you know well: 2 foods, 2 games, 2 animals. Write 1 indented sentence for your introduction, 3 sentences for your body, and 1 sentence for your conclusion. That's your first compare and contrast essay. Great job today. See you next time.